Nokia C22 with 5000 mAh battery launched. Get ready to power your smartphone experience with the Nokia C22. This incredible device combines impressive features, durability and affordability all in one sleek package. From its sturdy metal chassis to the vibrant display and powerful cameras, the Nokia C22 is designed to catch your attention and keep you connected in style. 3 color options. Expressing your personal style is made easy with the Nokia C22. It has 3 attractive color options: charcoal, purple and sand. So, you can choose the one that perfectly complements your taste. Availability. Now, let's talk about the availability and pricing of the Nokia C22 in India. The base variant, offering 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, is priced at just Rs 7,999. If you need more power, there's also a 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB storage variant available for Rs 8,499. Screen and display. Moving on to the specifications. The Nokia C22 boasts a vibrant 6.5-inch HD+ LCD display, providing a crisp and immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it is powered by an octa-core UNISOC SC9863A SoC, ensuring smooth performance for your daily tasks. The phone runs on the latest Android 13 Go edition right out of the box, offering optimized performance and enhanced security. Camera. Capture precious moments with the Nokia C22's dual rear camera setup. It features a 13-megapixel primary sensor accompanied by a 2-megapixel sensor and an LED flash module, allowing you to capture stunning photos even in low light conditions. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera housed within a sleek water drop notch, ensuring you always look your best. Battery. When it comes to battery life, the Nokia C22 has got you covered. With its impressive battery unit and 10-watt charging support, you can enjoy up to 3 days of usage on a single charge. Plus, for added security, the device features a convenient fingerprint sensor on the back panel, as well as a face unlock feature, providing multiple options to keep your data safe. To wrap things up, the Nokia C22 offers a compelling package with affordability, durability and impressive performance. With its sleek design, powerful cameras and long-lasting battery, it's sure to enhance your smartphone experience. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your nearest store and get your hands on the Nokia C22 today.